Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Brenda, and today I decided to do this cranberry fall look, if you will. I am just so ready for fall to be here, and I can't wait to start doing all these fall looks for you guys. So yeah, I'm actually pretty excited for this look. So if you're interested on how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So to start, I'm going to be priming my eyelids using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids with my finger. Next, I'm just going to grab a brush and go into my setting powder. This is from Mercier. And I am just going to set my lids with this. Next, I'm going to pick up my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to go in this shade Cayenne, which is this like orangey color, and I'm going to start blending this on my eyelid, starting it at the outer corner of my eye, and then blended it into the crease, and in back and forth motions. Okay, next I'm gonna go into this color called Ashes, which is just like this plum purple. And I'm gonna go in with that same brush I used. And I'm not bringing this in all the way, I'm just focusing it on the outer corner of my eye, just to kind of give it a little darker look. And I'm just doing little circular motions. Now once all that is applied on my eyes, I'm gonna go in with some concealer to cut my crease. And I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I like to first apply it in the center. And then what I like to do is I kind of look up, and then it shows me, it gives me a guide basically where my lid ends. So I'm just going to drag it into my inner corner and just fill it in. I am now going to jump into the shade Scorched, and I'm going to pick it up with a little flat brush, and I'm going to start applying this with patting motions where I applied the concealer. Now I'm going to go back into that purple color Ashes, and I'm going to start reapplying this at the end. I'm going to grab a clean blending brush, and I'm going to go into that Cayenne color one more time, and I'm gonna start blending my crease a little bit just so we can blend everything together. I'm gonna go back in between colors, so I'm going back again with Ashes. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to go into the color Ounce, which is like this bone color right here. And I'm going to work this on my brow bone. And I'm actually going to do some wing liner. I'm going to go with my NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Wish me luck. To do when I do eyeliner, I like to clean up the rest of the shadow that's out here. I like to go ahead and grab a little wipe and just wipe it up. I'm gonna go in with some mascara, and I'm gonna be using my Colossal Volum Express from Maybelline. I'm gonna apply these to my lashes, and then I'm gonna go in with some falsies, so I will be right back. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Loreal True Match, and I am in the shade W5, which is beige sable. I totally read the wrong thing on this. Okay, I guess that's in Portuguese or something, I don't know. But I am in the shade W5 Sand Beige. I was like, I know that's not right, bitch. I'm gonna put some of this on the back of my hand. So, and then I'm gonna grab a beauty blender and start working this on my skin. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. To set my under eyes, I'm gonna go in with my Mercier translucent powder. So while I'm baking, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some eyeliner. This is actually a lip pencil from NYX, but it's mine, so I can use it wherever the fuck I want. So don't judge, bitch. This one is in the color Maison. I'm gonna start working this on my lower lash line. Next, going back with my Naked Heat palette, I'm gonna pick up this shade right here. It's called En Fuego, and it's just like a cranberry red. I'm gonna be picking that up with this brush right here, and I'm gonna start working this on my lower lash line. And as I'm applying that, I'm gonna be blending it out as well. Look how pretty that color is, y'all. It's beautiful. Next, I'm just gonna apply some mascara to my lower lashes. So while I still have my baking powder on, I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay Beached Bronzer, and I'm gonna start bronzing up my face, because even if it's summer season, fall season, any kind of season, I am gonna bronze the hell out of my face, okay? Parezco muerta. And my forehead, or my hairline, because I have a 5 head. So those of you that have big foreheads like myself, you know the struggle. So to make it look a little smaller, you can always do this trick, and it actually kind of works sometimes. Don't forget your jawline, because this is a glam look and you're trying to look snatched. Now with an angled brush, I'm gonna buff that line out. I'm gonna clean up the cheeks a little bit. Now to fix my pito looking nose, I'm gonna go in back with my bronzer, and I'm gonna do a little bit of contour. Now I'm just gonna dust off all the powder from my face. Next, I'm gonna go in with highlight, and I'm gonna be using my Dose of Colors and Iluvsarahii highlighter in the shade Bathe. I'm just gonna grab my highlighting brush and go right in there and apply this on the high points of my face. And I'm gonna add some of that to my inner corner as well. Just gonna pick up a little brush and pop it right in there. For lips, I'm gonna go back to my NYX lip liner in the shade Maison, and it's just like a really dark brown color, as you can see. And I'm gonna go in with the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick, and this is in the shade Vintage. To finish off the look, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Urban Decay setting spray. Okay guys, so here is the completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Thank you for hanging out with me in another video. Everything used in this video will be listed down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell button so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. You don't have to, but you know you should if you already watched my video. Might as well. It only takes you not even 5 seconds. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting me, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye.